how to fix Blue Protocol Star Resonance not opening or launching. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to open up Steam or wherever you have the game. I'm going to go into my library. You want to find the game itself and click on the manage icon here, the gear icon, and click on properties. Now go into installed files, and first you want to verify the integrity of the game files. This is just going to correct any issues that you may experience. For the second thing that I suggest doing is going back into general, I forgot to tell you that, and make sure this is enabled. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. You want to toggle this on. And we can proceed to the next method. Go back into installed files. Size of the installation right here, you just want to click on browse. Find the folder where it's installed, click on the folder, then you want to find the game icon, right click, show more options, go into properties, go into the compatibility tab, and you want to check these three options. Compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.